What's good, y'all? It's your boy Bolas, and I'm back with another vlog. Hope y'all having a good day, a good evening, a good afternoon, good night, whenever y'all watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, support your boy, you feel me? Yeah, y'all. I just got out of work. Right now I'm gonna go to my aunt's house because they're making tacos and bolitas, and my mom's over there and shit. They invited us over to go eat, so I'm gonna go do that. And I might just replace their their faucet, their bathroom faucet, because they need a new bathroom faucet because it's leaking. So I'm gonna go do that, go eat, sip a little bit. I think I'm gonna buy some beers too because I don't want to show up empty-handed. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Don't forget to support your boy. Like this video. Go watch my recent videos too. You feel me? Like that up. Support your boy. Like, comment too. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Alright, y'all. I just picked up the brewskis. Feel me? Little 24 pack. I got my mom's favorite because that's how she drinks. Corona Extra. Pull up, eat some tacos, chill, replace the faucet. Stay tuned, yo. It's your boy Bolas. I'm glad. Let me shut the fuck up. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Yo. Ooh, goddamn. Alright, then y'all just put her to the crib. Right. Yeah, my mama's whip. Que lo que estamos activos en el andro. Pues. Alright then, y'all, we back at it. You know, fucking that's what I was talking about. Leave. Yeah. That's all bad right there. We can't have that, so we're gonna face it.
Oh, you got that.
And motherfucker right here. You wanna replace it with this? And yeah. Let me see what we're working with under here. A little peach trap right there. I'll put my knee pads on first. Alright, so we got some little. Oh, good thing we don't need an extension. So I'm gonna replace all this shit on that. We're gonna keep the water supplies on there. We straight, Gucci. Yeah. Stay tuned. Got a little audience right here. So I already turned off the water. We got no more water. We're gonna turn off. We're gonna turn off. No, you're good. We're gonna. Oh, yeah, I can't see shit. What? No, that's fine. Thank you. So this is what we're working with. We're gonna remove these first, and then take this off, and then remove the faucet. Yeah. Me lo mataron y por eso. Alright, there. This is how we looking right now. Yeah. Now we're gonna replace this one. I mean, we're gonna put this one right here. We got no more leaks, watch. Here you go. Back to the time lapse.
Okay, I should take that.
Gonna record now. Alright, y'all. That's it. Finish. My job here is done. Run me my money. I'm playing.
The money is the comida, basically.
Let's just turn the water on. Turn the water on. Let's see. Hopefully we ain't got no leaks after this bullshit. Alright, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's test this bitch out. Woo-wee! No leaks. Look, no more leaks. There's no more water coming out from here.
Finally.
I put in that one.
Stop the water. Look at that. Look at that.
I can probably put my face in
Look at that. Ya se acabó. Look at that. Nope.
I told you he's successful.
Yeah.
He's successful.
La rompe la discoteca, teca, teca.
Well, take out your hat because this shit is sweaty, my nigga.
Alright.
Yo,
Marina, your son's a worker.
A hardly worker.
He's a fucking idiot. Oh my god, bro, that's my. He's a fucking idiot. Cut.